Yeah, my name is Jordan Trimble. I'm the president and CEO of Skyharbour Resources. Skyharbour is a uranium exploration company with projects located in the Athabasca Basin of northern Saskatchewan. It's one of the better jurisdictions to be working in, and it's also the highest grade depository of uranium mineralization in the world. So the exploration companies and developers out there that are looking for these deposits are hunting in elephant country. They're looking for incredibly rich deposits, high grade. We're talking the order of $5,000 to $15,000 per ton rock with 5 to 10 to 15% U3O8 grade. Yeah, so we actually recently acquired a project last summer from Denison called Way Lake. Now this is a project that we had our eyes on for some time. It hosts a 7 million pound Ni 43-101 inferred, 7 million pound uranium resource as well as a thorium credit, again near surface, open along strike and at depth. It's a big property, about 80,000 hectares on the east side of the basin. This will likely be the flagship moving forward for the company. It's a more advanced stage project. It also hosts one of the highest grade showings found at surface in the basin, a 48% U3O8 grab sample at another target on the property. So it has a handful of high priority targets, great upside exploration potential, and it's had over 20,000 meters of previous drilling. So that'll be a focus for us. We also do have a project on the west side of the basin in the Patterson Lake region. We host one of the largest land packages in the area along with our syndicate partners. We've carried out almost $4 million in exploration combined, and we'll be doing a program there as well this year. They have been. We did a financing earlier last year. The insiders participated in that. We've also been buying out of the market. The insider position for this company is over 20% of the shares outstanding. Some other significant shareholders worth noting, Marin Katuza with KC Research holds a large position in his funds, and personally, as well as Denison Mines, they're a large shareholder as well. The next catalyst would be the upcoming winter exploration programs. Like I said, we'll be carrying out a program here in the next few months on Way Lake, the project we acquired last year. Again, looking to expand that resource base as well as going in and trying to locate the feeder zone for that high-grade mineralization that's been found at surface. So we're planning to do a small drill program there in the coming months. We'll also be doing a program on our syndicate project in the Patterson Lake region on the west side with our syndicate partners. We're the operator of the project. We only have to fund roughly 10% of the budget, with the partner companies funding the rest. So those will be the catalysts from the company. I also believe that the uranium market is due for a good year. We've already seen the spot price tick up in the last few months of 2014 on the back of the news out of Japan starting their first 2 reactors. But bottom line is you have a commodity that's trading at a significant discount to its current global average cost of production, and I see that changing here in the next year to 2 years. Well, it's been a tough market. Everyone's well aware of that. If you saw Rick Rule's presentation here at the show, one thing to keep in mind is that these bear markets are the authors of bull markets. We are now coming up to almost four years of a bear market in the resource space, and in particular in uranium, you've seen it really in a downward trend since 2007. So that's an extended bear market. I think the time is soon where you'll see that the tide turn around. You'll see these stocks start to perform well. So hang in there. This is a time when there's unbelievable opportunity both for the companies to build their project portfolios and their teams, but as well for investors to get in at fire sale prices and again ride the next wave up.